If there's one issue where Democrats nationwide have chosen to focus their attack on Republicans, it's health care. And Republicans who voted to kill Obamacare are now on the defensive about the collateral damage. CBS 2 political reporter Derek Blakely looks at how the issue is playing out in Chicago's two key congressional races.
A few years ago, we found out our 18-year-old son had cancer. Randy Hultgren had a chance to protect people with pre-existing conditions like our son, and he failed us.
Democrat Lauren Underwood is hitting Republican Congressman Randy Hultgren hard over health care. And so is challenger Sean Casten in his bid to unseat GOP Congressman Peter Roskam. Listen to this ad by Senator Dick Durbin attacking Roskam.
He voted for a measure that would have cost health insurance coverage for 30,000 people in the 6th Congressional District. How can a congressman do that?
The Democrats' consistent health care theme is no accident. It's a strategy.
Health care keeps coming up atop or even at the top of the list of issues that voters are telling us that they care about.
House Republicans' repeal of the Affordable Care Act, or Obamacare, also wiped out guarantees of coverage for patients with pre-existing conditions. Anthony Salvatano is CBS News Director of Polling.
We asked people what they think of the changes that the recent Republican Congress has made to the health care system. And by and large, people say that they don't feel like they were helped by it.
She's running for Congress to ensure every family's right to good, affordable health care.
So Democrats are piling on with full force. Here's Sean Casten, along with Congressman Roskam, from a public television forum.
Peter voted 62 times to repeal the ACA. If he's for protecting pre-existing conditions, that's a newfound position.
No, it's not a newfound position.
In response, Republicans like Hultgren and Roskam say GOP health care proposals have the same guarantees.
You say, look, we're going to protect people with pre-existing conditions. We're going to make sure that there's no lifetime caps, but we're also going to embrace more flexibility.
Problem is, they're just that, proposals. No health care plan was ever passed by the Republican-controlled Congress, which leaves the GOP vulnerable.
So I think that probably from a strategic standpoint is probably making the Democrats want to run on that issue.
Thank you, Derek. And you'll recall the Obamacare repeal didn't become law due to the late Senator John McCain's vote in the Senate. Still, that House repeal vote provided Democrats with a potent issue. By the way, Republicans have proposed a bill to protect patients with pre-existing conditions, but some experts have said those safeguards aren't as strong as under Obamacare.